I'm Alex.
And I'm Lori.
So you're interested in laser scanning?
Or, as we at Leica call it, high definition surveying, HDS.
Right, and as the industry leader, we're delighted to tell you about it. First off, laser scanning is simply a method of high accuracy mapping.
Or reality capture.
Right, Laurie. However, unlike methods that only capture specific individual points, one at a time, a scanner quickly captures rich detail of the entire scene. It's like a camera taking a 360-degree photo, but with an accurate position for every pixel.
So someone might ask, what's good about that?
Well, one obvious benefit is getting better as-built or existing conditions information sooner. For design and construction projects, that translates into reduced risks and reduced costs.
And fewer sleepless nights. And topographic surveys are so detailed and so complete, you'll rarely have to go back for more field work, even if something wasn't defined in the original scope.
And you can do them faster, too.
Monitoring surveys?
More comprehensive.
Volumetric surveys?
You can do them faster too, and get more accurate results. And, oh yeah, there's no need to walk on hazardous piles.
Same for roadway surveys?
No need to stand in the road.
What about for forensic investigations and event pre-planning?
You can virtually revisit a scanned scene on your computer anytime for more measurements and verify what witnesses could or couldn't see. And because laser scan data is digital, you can use it with many types of software. For example, you can review proposed CAD designs in their real-world context.
Wow, those are some terrific benefits, Alex. But most importantly, you can save yourself, your clients, and even your clients' clients a lot of time and money.
And in the process, improve your business with higher revenues and profits, new clients, and happier clients.
Well, that's impressive. Okay, so how does laser scanning or high-definition surveying work?
Well, there are two basic parts to it. First, there's the field work, where the scanner captures the scene. Second is the office part. There, the field data is converted into the products and deliverables that you need. In the field, you simply position the scanner so it can see and reach what you want. Push a button and let the scanner do all of the work.
What about photos?
The scanning process includes taking panoramic photos, if you want, for even more realism.
What about capturing an entire site?
You simply move the scanner to different vantage points for more scanning. Multiple scans are then stitched or registered together, either as you scan or later on.
Scans can also be accurately georeferenced to coordinate systems, just like a standard survey. In the office, our scan software enables users to efficiently create an endless variety of deliverables, from the simplest ones like 2D plans and elevations, user-friendly panoramic images with measurements instantly available from each pixel, clearances, point-to-point and point-to-surface measurements, high and low points and tie points, sections and profiles, volumetric reports, line of sight and crime scene witness viewpoints, and bullet trajectory analysis.
Our software also lets you create more advanced deliverables, like detailed topographic maps, wireframe and surface models, ISO packs, links to asset information, fully textured models, fly-throughs, fully intelligent plant models, or building information models, or BIM, all by using our software. So basically, that's how it works.
One final question. What options do users have to take advantage of scanning?
Well, there are three popular options. First, you can buy a scanner and software and do high-definition surveys yourself. You can also rent scanners or software. Lastly, depending on your situation, a service provider can do all or part of it for you.
And that brings us to Leica Geosystems. We're experts across the board. We're the world leader in the development, quality manufacturing, and sales of laser scanners and laser scanning software, and in customer support. Our specialists and representatives can train you on the field work and the office part to create the deliverables you want. They're experts in all aspects, from the simplest to the most advanced.
We also have the world's largest and most experienced network of service providers, with literally thousands around the world.
In short, we're the one-stop source to help you be successful with laser scanning. Regardless of what you want to use laser scanning for, Leica can help you with every step along the way. Whether you want to use it for design, construction, asset and facility management, operations and maintenance, for marketing and proposals, forensics and security pre-planning, education or entertainment, civil infrastructure, plant and industrial applications, buildings and BIM, heritage and archaeology.
Leica Geosystems is your one-stop shop for a tightly integrated, professional-grade, end-to-end laser scanning solution. To learn more, watch our other videos in this series and be sure to check out our website. Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Lori. As the market leader in laser scanning, Leica Geosystems is uniquely positioned to further educate you about how it all works and how we can help you succeed. In this Chapter 2 video, we'll look closer at the field work, the office part, and our outstanding support team. Let's start with the field work, Alex.
Right. There are different types of scanners, but they all work on the same basic principle. The technology is advanced, but it's designed to be easy to use. A laser scanner emits a rapidly pulsing or continuous laser beam. As it emits the beam, the scanner automatically rotates around its vertical axis, and a rapidly spinning or oscillating mirror also moves the beam up and down. The result is a systematic sweeping of the beam over the area. When the beam hits an object, some of its energy bounces back to the scanner, where if the returned energy signal is strong enough, a sensor detects it, and a timer uses it to calculate the distance from the scanner to the object.
But there's more to 3D scanning than just measuring distances, isn't there?
Yes, for each distance measurement, additional critical data is recorded, including the corresponding horizontal angle of the rotating laser and the corresponding vertical angle of the moving mirror. The scanner automatically combines these to calculate a 3D X, Y, and Z coordinate position for each point. The resulting scan is a set of 3D coordinate measurements.
It's a detailed 3D representation of the scene, often called a point cloud.
And to add realistic texture or color to scans, matching photos can be taken.
Can you tell us how that's done?
Sure. Using either a camera that's built into the scanner or using an external camera and automatically merging the photos with scan data. Scans can also be easily geo-referenced to local coordinate systems, just like conventional surveys.
Now, what if you need to capture an entire scene where some views may be obstructed? Or if a site is so big that the scanner can't reach all of it with one scan?
Right. In those cases, which are very typical, the scanner is moved to different vantage points for more scans. The best vantage points will be based on site logistics and scanner capabilities. Multiple scans can be automatically aligned with each other.
Can you help us understand how that's done?
Well, if the scanner is properly equipped, this registration step can be done right on board the scanner. Otherwise, you can do this later by post-processing the set of scans. In fact, users have several convenient options for post-processing.
I thought that might be coming.
Some methods use handy scan targets or markers placed around the site. Other methods don't need any targets. Regardless of which method is used, it's important that it be done accurately.
The good news is that Leica scanners and software have all the right features that let you do it with confidence, whether it's a simple scene or a complex one. But doesn't a registered point cloud contain hundreds of thousands or even millions of points?
Or even billions of points.
Yes, and here's where your office software comes in. It lets users mine this rich information for an almost infinite variety of applications and deliverables, from simple ones like 2D plans and elevations, user-friendly panoramic images with geometric information instantly available from each pixel, clearances, point-to-point and point-to-surface measurements, high and low points and tie points, sections and profiles, volumetric reports, line of sight and witness viewpoints, and bullet trajectory analysis.
And you can also create more advanced products and deliverables like detailed topographic maps, wireframe and surface models, ISO packs, links to asset information, fully textured models, fly-throughs, fully intelligent plant models, or Building Information Models, BIM.
Like scanners, there are different types of software, but the choices are pretty basic.
Right. To process point clouds into deliverables, you can either use dedicated standalone software
or plug-in software.
Yes, plugins let users work efficiently with point cloud data directly within CAD, virtual reality, or even some asset management software. Certain CAD and VR software also have some built-in capabilities for point clouds. Plugins just make working with them faster and easier.
And that brings us to Leica Geosystems. Simply stated, we're the leader in all of this for scanners, field procedures, and point cloud software.
Our laser scanners are the easiest to use, most versatile, most accurate, most productive.
And the most popular.
Right. A big reason for that is our scanners offer the most workflow options for dealing with different site logistics, a key factor when selecting a scanner.
In short, they make it easier to achieve results you can trust, whether it's a simple site or a complex one.
High accuracy data, indoors or outdoors, even at distances up to hundreds of meters from the scanner. But our scanners produce more than just pretty pictures. They produce accurate survey data. One-touch operation, up to 1 million points per second scan speeds, full dome field of view, compact, portable, all-in-one design, friendly interfaces, easy remote control, operation in rain or snow, survey-grade dual-axis tilt compensation, accurate to 1.5 arc seconds, for efficient traverse and resection workflows and on-the-fly scan registration, embedded camera with streaming video, and mount for external cameras, accurate capture of scan targets at long distance for even more accurate registration and georeferencing, high-quality Leica Geosystems design and construction, standard accessories, easy connectivity to other survey equipment, and no safety glasses or laser safety barriers are required.
Next is our software. For the important step of registration and georeferencing, our software is a virtual industry standard.
Leica also develops and provides the industry's most comprehensive suite of software for creating high-quality deliverables.
From the simplest to the most advanced. Friendly and free, Leica TrueView software enables anyone to navigate through point clouds, panoramically view them, similar to Google Maps Street View, and zoom, measure, markup, view proposed designs in their real-world context, and even link them to other information, even over the internet.
And our versatile modeling software lets you organize, visualize, model, and do almost anything you want with point clouds, from simple projects to advanced ones, efficiently.
Our modeling software is yet another virtual industry standard, and our popular plugins let users work more efficiently with large scan data sets directly within design, drafting, and virtual reality applications. Plugins are easy to learn.
And they're also very efficient for creating simple 2D drawings and cross-sections.
The final part of our complete solution is training, support, and our vast network of service providers.
Right. Leica Geosystems has, by far, the industry's largest and most experienced team of experts. Your local representative knows scanners and software, not just one or the other.
And we also have the world's largest and most experienced network of service providers, with literally thousands around the globe. So, for high-quality laser scanners and office software,
and for the industry's best training and support,
or access to the world's best service providers, Leica Geosystems is your one-stop shop. To learn more, watch our other videos in this series, and be sure to check out our website.
Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Lori. In this Chapter 3, we'll look at how Leica Geosystems laser scanners and software let you do both simple and complex laser scanning projects better. Another reason why we're the industry leader.
Let's start with the simple stuff. Taking a scan is easy. Set up your scanner and push a button. Scanning a small area like a room is also easy. Any scanner with a full dome field of view can do the job. Unlike certain other scanners, however, Leica scanners can also do longer range jobs.
Right. And if there are some obstructions in the way, it's still simple. Just move the scanner to a couple of different vantage points and stitch the scans together before producing your deliverables.
If you need a quick deliverable that lets anyone view and measure from scans or mark them up, then simply publish panoramic Leica TrueViews with the push of a button and you're done. Leica TrueView software is free and very simple to use.
It's like Google's Street View, only for sites and scenes that have been scanned.
Creating 2D drawings from a scan is easy too. Just access the scan file, view the point cloud in your CAD software, look at section or elevation views, draft, and you're there. Our point cloud plugins for CAD let you do these tasks even faster.
Right, Alex. But if you need to deal with more challenging sites, Leica's versatile tools also allow you to do those projects efficiently and with confidence.
Right. For example, sites that are bigger or with more obstructions, more scanner setups and scans to register, more targets to place, longer distances, restrictions as to where you can place a scanner or place targets, or you have to deal with weather or other unexpected things, or maybe you need to make more advanced deliverables. Well, you get the idea.
Yes, Alex. Not every system on the market can do all that, but Leica has you covered.
To understand a scanner's capabilities for more challenging sites, you'll need to look closely at the actual 3D scan data. In particular, you need to look at the actual point cloud from a 3D view and zoom into details. Here, you're looking at a scan merged with a photo, and you're looking from the viewpoint of the scanner. It may appear that the whole scene is captured out to a very long range. But look closer. When you remove the photo from the scanner view and turn the view to a 3D perspective, only then can you see what you really captured and how far away you've captured useful scan points. For horizontal and vertical surfaces, zooming into specific areas tells you even more.
The good news is that our scanners let you scan at high density, even at long range, beyond 200 meters or more, thereby capturing much more useful data for infrastructure and roadways, sites, piles and pits, buildings, factories and plants, crime and accident scenes, campuses or city blocks, or for large structures.
This powerful, high-density, long-range capability reduces your scanner setups, saves time, and gives you a lot more logistical freedom on site. Without it, you'd have to try to move a shorter range or lower density scanner to more positions, hope those vantage points are accessible and that they are good spots to place and scan the targets, register more scans together, and so forth.
Okay, I get it. Now, can you tell us more about the accuracy and speed aspects?
Sure. Again, scanning small areas with high accuracy is easy. Distances are short, so horizontal and vertical angle measurement errors for each scan point are typically small. However, to achieve high accuracy at longer distances, scanners need longer range capability and survey-grade angular accuracy like our scanners have.
And what if you set up your scanner on loose soil or hot pavement and a tripod leg settles during a scan?
Again, Leica ScanStation scanners have your back. Their survey-grade tilt compensation automatically corrects coordinates with sub-millimeter accuracy.
And what if you're on a tight schedule and have lots of scenes to scan, maybe hundreds to scan? You'll need a really fast scanner, right?
Well, for some scanners, in order to achieve 6mm or quarter-inch accuracy for each scan point, you have to reduce the effective scan speed by a factor of 3 or 4. But not for our scanners. With Leica, you get high accuracy even at high scan speeds.
Or what if you don't have the time or site access to place lots of scan targets and you have dozens or even hundreds of scans to register?
I'm going to start calling you the What If Girl because you have a lot of what if questions.
I do, but that's the whole point. Leica has all the what ifs covered.
Again, we've got your back. You can scan indoors or outdoors without targets and register them by using Cyclone Software's powerful cloud-to-cloud registration capabilities. You can also register on the fly as you can scan using traditional traverse methods. And if you do need to scan targets, our scanners let you accurately capture them up to 200 meters away for even better registration results. And our software is the industry's best at registering lots of scans and giving you the most options for the all-important registration step.
And what about situations like rain or snow?
Our high-quality scanners have enclosed optics, so scan away. And they perform well at both high and low temperatures.
Just as you'd expect from Leica Geosystems. Okay, now what if you need more than just simple deliverables and you need to create them efficiently? After all, projects can be gigabytes or larger.
Our software is specifically designed to handle even the largest projects efficiently. It starts with fast file access, fast loading, and fast format conversions if you need them. Next, you want to efficiently navigate and manipulate what you see on screen, often a large 3D point cloud, to the view and appearance that's best for the task. More good news. Our software offers users the largest choice of efficient viewing and navigation modes. True color, intensity mapped false color, aligned to the scanner view, silhouettes, especially good for building outlines and profiles, shaded mode for mesh rendering of point clouds on the fly, scan density controls, friendly panoramic viewing, ability to import design models, clipping, limit boxes and limit box management, slicing and slice management, meshing and mesh management, site maps with scanner locations, file navigation, special tools for easily navigating hundreds of scans.
And finally, whether you're doing civil survey, industrial plant, marine, buildings, forensics, heritage, or even entertainment projects, Leica software has the specific tools and the automation needed to efficiently create your deliverables, from the simplest, like 2D plans and elevations, user-friendly panoramic images with geometric information instantly available from each pixel, point-to-point and point-to-surface measurements.
And you can also create more advanced products and deliverables, like detailed topographic maps, wireframe and surface models, fully intelligent plant models, or building information models, BIM.
Whether you use our standalone software or point cloud plugins, Leica software ensures that you can do it all efficiently, that the modules all work together,
and that you have the right quality control to ensure you're getting accurate results.
From simple projects to complex ones, we have you covered with the right tools and support that you need to be successful, all from a single vendor. So you only need to call one number. To learn more, watch our other videos in this series, and be sure to check out our website.